Guys, today I'm showing you what's inside the house. I'm getting graduate and I have some trophies at myself. I always have a picture and a crown and a dress like a queen. King. Inside my house is a fish tank with a lot of fish with a new fish, beautiful fish. My dad sick. My dad is sick because I had drive that day. Always inside the house is a lot of Mama Mary. We have a picture. We have a Chinese hanging circle. We always have a picture at Kinder. Always Kinder, and that one is Kinder too. Always Mommy is cooking some food. I have in the new school. My school name is school, and inside my school is a lot of others room. Always I live in a one room, and my teacher name is Teacher Almasa. I get so better to always make some drawings. Always I have a new classmate. Is a girl. Her name is Amber. He's my crush. So I say it for every day. Amber is my crush. I say it for my classmate. So actually, inside the house is the other cabinet. There's one room in the downside, and there's a top. In the top room, there's two rooms. One room for Daddy Maron, and one room for Grandpa. That is for the inside of the house. Bye bye.